today I'm gonna bring you with me my first ever hike. It's not that lucky because it's raining, but it's a really challenging first hike ever. Let's go! This hike is just like a family hike, not that really extreme. So at first I feel worried because it's quite the slope is quite high, but together with me, my very good friend, she's the one really challenged me to go with me, my friend Eliza, to bring me in this like a family hike. So let's see what's going on afterwards. Let's go, guys, follow me. On my way, I feel really shy because a lot of elderly having a hike out there, so I just feel embarrassing myself. Oh my god, why I never go for a hike? How about this elderly? They are really here for a hike, you know. It's really exciting, and even it's raining, but I really feel excited. The ambience, the place, and it's really refreshing, you know. So I just told myself, oh, my friend Eliza, can you bring me another time again in this place, you know. So I feel motivated because of my friend Eliza. Friend Eliza, not just like a friend, but it's really like a sister already, so we call each other Sisi. While we are on our way, I just keep making a joke to her. She's really serious because she's just like a tour guide of mine, tour guide, motivator, just like that. So she's trying to be serious while on the hike, but I keep on joking on her. And so lucky, she just keep on laughing on the joke that I did for her, you know. Even kids are here also for a hike, so it really makes me more motivated, you know. Oh, come on, Hyper, have a hike. Even cute dogs are here for a hike too. OMG, what a motivation. You know, this place have a lot of ferns also. Anywhere you can see a lot of ferns. I keep joking to my friend, it's not only in the city having the what's that, the overpass, because here in the hiking place also there's an overpass, just like a bridge also, overpass and underpass, just like that. I really too much talkative while I'm walking, going that place, but she is really serious, you know. I've noticed too that there's a lot of lubak-lubak anywhere here in the hiking trail, you know. Look at that. A lot of lubak-lubak.
ride make us lost. Sama parehong mabisi. It's really rainy and it's a good for a hike. You get sweat and you get wet.
So this is the end of the part 1. This is the end of the place where we lost. So let's see for the part 2. The right place exactly, our target place. See you then. Keep safe everyone. Thank you so much for watching.